Hello, my name is Tyler, and I am leading the Policing and Justice Studies research program at Bodyswaps. Today I'm going to show you a brief preview of the kind of simulations that you can create inside Bodyswaps. Right now, I'm in our backend system called Bodyswaps Go. This is where I'm able to create custom experiences for my learners. Today, I'm going to practice doing a de-escalation roleplay around a suspect evaluation. To easily create these experiences, I can simply use our no-code editor. One easy thing to do is to start with our AI assistant. So I'm going to put in a scenario and generate a roleplay here in just a couple of seconds. After using the AI assistant, I now have a scenario that's ready to go. I have my avatar, an environment where the conversation will take place, and an overview of what will happen. I can quickly and easily make any changes to my scenario by simply typing in any of the gray boxes, deleting or changing any of the suggested material. I'm going to turn swearing toggle on today so you can see what it might be like, increase the intensity there. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and press save and assign this to my class. Okay, I'm now entering into the scenario that I've just built. This instructions can be completely customized by the educator, so you can give your students more or less information to practice with, but we're going to jump into our suspect interview de-escalation, and the subject here is going to be adamant that he is innocent and becoming hostile and defensive, so I'm supposed to use my de-escalation skills.
This is total, complete bullshit. I've been sitting here for an hour. I didn't rob anyone, okay? I just finished a 14-hour shift. Let me go home.
I'm really sorry to hear that you've been waiting for so long. It's been a bit busy here at the station, but I appreciate you waiting for this long. I just have a couple of questions that I want to ask to get everything cleared up, if that's all right with you.
You police officers think you can treat people like garbage and just waste our time. I didn't do anything. Let me out of here now.
I understand that you would like to get back on with your day. This shouldn't take too long as we get some questions answered. Can you tell me a little bit about where you were the last couple of days?
Are you fucking kidding me? The last couple of days? I was working my ass off. You're not listening. I'm gonna make a complaint if you don't let me go.
I'm so sorry to hear that you've been working and you've been so busy, and I appreciate your time. We just want to get some things cleared up if you think that you could help me do that.
Cleared up? No. No, 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 no. I'm not helping you do shit. Let me out of here right now or I swear I'll fucking sue this place.
Okay, I'm going to go ahead and exit the scenario early so we can get to my feedback. Now we get the opportunity to do the body swap moment. This is what allows your learner to have this moment of self-reflection by getting to re-watch that scenario from the AI avatar's perspective. We're going to switch places here. I'll be able to see my avatar.
This is total.
I'm really sorry to hear that you've been waiting for so long. It's been a bit busy here at the station, but I appreciate you. And we can rewatch this scenario from various different angles. So from a neutral third party, or again, from my angle or his angle. And this allows the learner to have an additional moment of self-reflection. Now we'll go to our feedback. And this will give me some feedback on how I've done. So I'll just click into the boxes to learn a little bit more. So at times I relied on polite but simply hollow apologies. But to de-escalate further in the future, I can use validating phrases and directly addressing his feelings, such as acknowledging how exhausting it must be to sit in the station after his shift. So some good feedback there. And I did well to ask for permission before starting my questions, but I pushed ahead with the question even after he clearly said he was not all right. So this damaged our cooperation. So next time I need to offer some choices or a compromise, like giving him a glass of water. So this gives me some good feedback on what I could do next time. Now, there is an additional option to jump into an AI coaching session after this. So I could select a coach that I feel comfortable with and choose how I like to receive feedback. And at this point, they'll go through some Socratic questioning with me to do some further reflection on how I could have done better and what I could do next time. For now, I'm going to go ahead and close this activity. And I'll submit my results. So now I'm back in the educator portal, and this is where I can see the progress of all of my students. I can jump in and see what we call a learner report to see the exact performance feedback that I received within the app, as well as a transcript of what happened between the AI character and your learner in green. So allowing for additional reflection activity and you to have some insight into how your learners are performing. There's a whole lot more you can do in the platform, and I'm excited to have you on the program. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thank you.